pakita mo lang natin yung mga filter dere sa YouTube. Let's go. Kung para ma-excite po kayo kung unsay filter dere sa YouTube. Yan, let's go. First ito guys, smash or pass. Smash dere pass. Oh my god! And this one. This one. This one. Yui. This one. So first, ganahin natin ito at ito at wait lang. Wala na siya. Bila ko wala na siya. Basta. First is this one. And wait lang. Use yarn. So first is this one. That. Then that. That. Okay, you lose. You win. Try natin. Gotong. Asa ang gotong dito guys? Kani? Ang gotong? Oh, tama. Kani? Let's try ulit. Guys, ito yung gotong. Ito. At yung ano dito. At ito. At ito. Tayo guys. So, this one. This one. This one. You win. Naman guys. So, this one. This one. Lagi this one. And this one. And this one. This one. Okay guys. I-stop ninyo guys kung pila inyong na get. Like and subscribe, comment lang kung pila inyong na get.